Her real name is Elia Mary Shalish and her nickname is Sniper Wolf. She was born on October 22nd, 1992. Currently in 2023 she is 22 years old. She is 5 feet 3 inch tall. Weight 51 kilograms. She is YouTuber and social media star by profession. Her nationality is American and British. Her religion is Christianity. Net worth is $3 to $4 million. Number 2, her name is Madison Beer. She was born on March 5, 1999. Currently in 2023, her age is 24. She is 5 feet 4 inch tall. Her weight is 53 kilograms. She is active 2012 to present. She is singer by profession. Marital status, she is unmarried. Her nationality is American. And her net worth is approximately $18 million. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the icon for more videos.